Empowering manufacturing efficiency with Microsoft technologies. Staying ahead in the competitive manufacturing sector needs efficiency, innovation, and smarter data management. At Evolvous, we aim to help manufacturers to evolve with purpose. With cutting-edge solutions, you can transform your operations, exploring better opportunities for growth. We specialize in offering customized Microsoft solutions that streamline your factory operations, enhance collaboration, and drive growth. With Microsoft SharePoint, you can discover better, AI-enriched ways for document management. Centralize your data, streamline workflows, and make your data accessible to teams, without compromising on compliance standards. Harness the power of AI with Copilot Studio. From engaging your customers and vendors to predictive maintenance and demand forecasting, your personalized Copilot will help you make smarter decisions. Monitor and analyze your operations in real time with Power BI. With AI-powered business analytics, you can quickly identify production bottlenecks, reduce manufacturing downtime, and streamline factory operations. Microsoft Power Apps helps you to develop powerful applications without extensive coding. Design and deploy applications for inventory management, quality control, and beyond. Reduce the time and errors on repetitive tasks with smarter process automation with Power Automate. Streamline processes like purchase orders, report creation, data entry, and more. Integrate various aspects of your operation and manage them efficiently with Dynamics 365. Centralize all operations, ranging from supply chain to sales, from a single platform. For more than 11 years, we have helped leading manufacturers get remarkable results. Let us achieve the same success in your business. Ready to transform your operations for the future? Contact Evolvous and learn how Microsoft can empower your business.